welcome to Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the difference between reaction and impulse turbine. First we will discuss about what is impulse turbine and what is reaction turbine. As we know that impulse turbine is a turbine in which energy is available in form of kinetic energy. Here you can see that the impulse turbine here that the impulse and reaction turbine denote the basic type of turbine. The basic and the main difference between impulse and reaction turbine is that the pressure change. In the reaction turbine, passes through the runner. Fluid is passes through the runner, and in the impulse turbine there is no pressure change in the runner. Here you can see in the diagram. This is the diagram for the impulse turbine, and this is for the reaction turbine. Here you can see the pressure change in those impulse and reaction turbines. Here the impulse turbine is a turbine in which pressure energy is converted into the kinetic energy through the nozzle and generated a high speed jet of water. Here you can see in the diagram that this is a high speed water, and here you can see this is the runner which is rotating. Water strike the blade and turbine rotates. This is called the impulse turbine. In the reaction turbine, in the reaction turbine there is pressure change of water when it passes through the rotor of turbine. So it uses two type of energy. One is kinetic energy and other is pressure energy to rotate the turbine. Due to this is known as a reaction turbine, as it is using both energy. One is pressure energy and another is a kinetic energy. Now we will discuss the differences between the impulse and reaction turbine. Here you can see in the impulse turbine only kinetic energy is used to rotate the turbine, but as in case of the reaction turbine it uses both kinetic as well as the pressure energy to rotate the turbine. In this impulse turbine, water flow through the nozzle and strikes the blade of the turbine to rotate. In this, the turbine water is guided by the guide blades to flow over the turbine. The guide blades you can see in the previous diagram. These are those guided vanes which help in rotating the turbine. Here in impulse turbine, pressure energy of water converted into kinetic energy before striking the vanes, because as we can see here in the when the water comes from the nozzle, here the pressure energy converted into the kinetic energy before striking the vanes. In the reaction turbine there is no such changes of pressure energy before striking. As in impulse turbine, the pressure of water remain unchanged and it is equal to the atmospheric pressure during the process. Here the pressure of water is reduced after passing through the vanes. In the impulse turbine, water may be admitted over the whole circumference of the wheel. Here it uses the part of over the whole circumference of the wheel of turbine. In impulse turbine, casing has no hydraulic function to perform because the jet is at atmospheric pressure. The casings are only the preventing splashing of water. But in reaction turbine, casing is necessary because the pressure at inlet of turbine is much higher than the pressure at outlet, so it must be sealed. Next, in the impulse turbine, it is more suitable for large head and lower flow rate, but this turbine is best suited for high flow rate and lower head situations. In reaction turbine, Pelton wheel is the example of the reaction turbine. For now, subscribe, like, press the bell icon and share the video. Thank you.